channel. This is DT DailyTech. Today I'll be showing you how to factory reset your Alcatel 5041C. Make sure that the phone is powered off. Once the phone powers off, locate the power button, volume up, press and hold both. Once the phone turns on, release the power button. Continue holding the volume up. Once you see the screen, release the volume up. Scroll down to wipe data factory reset. Press the power button to select. Scroll down, again, power button to select. Once it's complete, reboot by pressing reboot system now. The phone was already factory reset, but as you can see, once you do these steps, the phone will be completely wiped clean. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe and tell your friends. Thank you.